It on? Yeah, it's on, son. I have a chance home to speak of the Halloween decoration. Okay? I want to give my dad back. What in to do? I will get to be safe if you guys did. Okay? Set the phone. I figured to enjoy the video. Okay, I figured to enjoy it, yeah. Where's your mask? Another one. Catch up? You keep it down. Sorry. No, please, to be just a beast. No, okay, but succeed in the job, okay? Assistant. No, I have to switch to stop video phone because it's okay. What? Sorry, Cap. What the fuck? Can I say go?
What are you doing? Jesse! I am a little flash dog, please! I am a little flash dog! Did you like a little for the start? Oh, Travis, somebody gonna give it a prank?
Yeah, forgot to get into violence video game, see the God GG stuff fan.
Violence a video game? Yeah, what do you think you faccio little people do this stuff? You did to me! I was going to turn you back!
Are you video game?
What are you guys? Get you guys out of here,
Yes, me too.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, I'm just gonna give my revenge, right? Please, Ogomar, Dad, that's my little stuff in here that you're not right to touch, alright? Where is the video games?
You swear them all! What are you doing in the video games?
Where is the video game?
You ever got to 24/7? I sleep and I watch TV. I don't play. You wanna play anymore? Yeah, you sure anymore?
Well, actually, man, in the burning downs.
Are you kidding me? That is flawed. Just you can make a great video.
You're right.
You can spend your days.
This Xbox right there.
Jeffrey, this is don't touch that. That's the Xbox One. Dad, don't touch our shit. Dad. What the sucking? Dad.
I have to go to this.
This what are you doing? Hey, you're not. You're never touching this.
You're not. Put my money back.
What are you thinking on me? What are you? Oh God, it's almost staring at you. It's Box! You made me so fired! It's boxing everywhere!
Oh my God!
Get the fuck out of here! You with the fight? Oh God! I don't want to know the dude! With the broken? I don't know! He's sorry up! What the fuck's he doing? Dad!
You wanna play me? Oh shit!
Dad!
Holy shit!
Ah!
That's an violence video game.
Dad? Why? Fuck.
That's a violence video game.
Holy shit.
What the hell is wrong with you? Best equation is never learn. You can't change one of this picture.
Just to get a big casting, am I gonna put this on my hand? You can always back.
You try not in the video games.
How about you go? What the hell? Some is with the family Jess over here. Hey, buddy.
They come my light into my face.
Hey, it's okay.
No. And I'm messaging you in the morning because now I figured out I'm a little you. I don't play. It feels so. Please.
It's just a game.
Please. We'll do it off.
Yeah, it's off.
You stupid fucking shit. Please, turn off.
It's off then. It's okay.
Turn it off!